Let me introduce you on ways how you can contribute on ThreeFold web presence. Web presence in this case, ThreeFold websites and wikis. For this, you will need a GitHub account, and on GitHub you can locate ThreeFold Foundation account, and here you will find all the repositories that holds our websites and wikis. So the easy way to locate a specific website or wiki is from home repository. So here in README you will see more details about the foundation, the teams, and so on, and also all the repositories that are currently active. So all the wikis, websites, you see their repositories, their domains, and so on. So this is the easiest way how you can locate a specific repository on a GitHub. So let's say we can take for an example info ThreeFold. So that's our main wiki. If you go through the content and you see something that needs to change, or some suggestions regards adding or removing content, or you see something broken, there are two ways how you can help us out and contribute and improve this. One of the ways is you need to locate the repository, and one of the ways is by creating an issue. So you just go into the issues, you create new issue, you provide all the information around the change or suggestion that you want to make, and you just submit a new issue. And the team will see it on the issues list and will address it. And the other way is to go and change content directly. And for that, we highly suggest to use Gitpod. So if you don't have Gitpod yet, you can add Gitpod extension. That's very easy to do. You just Google it. You'll find this very simple steps where you can add the browser extension for Chrome or Firefox. Because I already have it, it only allows me to remove it, but if you don't have it, you will see the button here, add it to Chrome, and that's pretty much all you need to do. When you've done that, you will see this Gitpod green button at each repository, and you can just click it and it will open a working environment for you that will allow you to add content, edit content, push your changes, and so on. And most importantly, it will allow you to see your changes live in your browser. So pretty much it will allow you to see the wiki or website like this and see all the changes you are making in real time. So we highly suggest whenever you are changing any content to create a new branch, so we know what changes you are making and so on, so we can review it and add it to our web presence in this way. So to add a new branch, so this is the work environment where you can see all the content that is open source, that is available. You can go check it, you can suggest your changes here and so on. To create a new branch, you just click here on branch area, create new branch, and you just do my suggested changes or something like that, and press enter, and that will create a new branch for you. My suggested changes, we can create it. So it should, here we go. So my suggested changes, this is the branch right there, and it's active. So whatever you're doing right now, it's very safe. It's going to be making changes on this specific branch that you are having here. So to run it locally, you see it's already up to date. What you need to do, you need to type in this command. That's what I'm going to do. Wiki run, press enter. And this is going to start a environment locally for you to open the current wiki in your browser. So this is what we have on production, alive, and this is what's gonna be for you running in the browser, so you can see all the changes that you are making or proposing. So let's say here we can see the sidebar, that is this one. You see you want to change something here, so that's the sidebar. Here is the main page, like a landing page that you can see here. on the main view. So you can, and here we go, we have a link right here. What you need to do, you just press Command, and it will allow you to click on this link, and that will open, you see here several wikis, but you're interested in main wiki, so ThreeFold, and that will open you the working environment that looks exactly like what we have live. Sorry. And here we go. And whatever changes you are making in the content, you can see reflected here, and you can see how it's gonna look like. For example, I don't want this to say, hey, I want it to be hello there and welcome to the ThreeFold wiki. Let's say that sounds weird. I just want to remove it, so I'm gonna comment it out. Oh, sorry. Here we go. So now it says, hey there, welcome to the ThreeFold wiki. I want this to be changed, and here are the changes I made. I do Control-C and run it again, just so I can see the changes. It automatically opens, the window for me, but I can also just go here and refresh. And here we go. We removed, just so you can see on the production. So we changed hey to hello, and we removed this text. And this is how you can go and make all the changes. You can go and let's say change the sidebar. I don't want this Y in there, so I'm just gonna remove it. So here in the sidebar we have Y, and running locally we have Y, and I decided no, I don't want it here, so I'm suggesting to remove it. And let's run it again. Let's refresh. And Y should be gone. Yep, it's gone. So here we go. And whenever you are done with your changes, let's say, let's bring Y back, it's important. And whenever you are done, all you need to do, you need to commit your changes. So here you can see everything that you changed. And I proposed changes, and you just commit them. Yes. And now I'm just, and when you're done with this, you just push it to the GitHub. And that's about it. And that will bring your changes in GitHub right here. You see, there's my suggested changes. There are some recent updates. And what you need to do, you can create a pull request. Here, my proposed changes. You can leave your comments. You can say, hey, I figured, this would be a good add or change for your wiki, and that's about it. And you can create a pull request. And also you can, suggest the reviewers. You can pick one from the team. You can pick, no, it doesn't show me. It should be anyone from the team. If you know someone, if you don't know anyone, that's certainly fine. So and here you just create pull request. We can do that. I'm just going to create pull request, and now that's about it. Someone from the team will review it, and then they can merge it into development, and the changes will be applied. So I'm going to close this pull request because that's not what we actually want. And that's about it. That's how easy it is to work with our web presence, to make changes, to contribute. And we highly suggest you to dig in and help us improve the whole environment and web presence. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you feel free to reach out to anyone on the team. You can find them here. As I said at the beginning, on the home repository, there is a team. Anyone from these team members, especially web development team, will be able to help you with any questions you might have. So thank you for your contribution and support.